Oh my gosh, completely bummed. Just went in to buy some number 10 cans of my favorite beef, tomato powder and stuff, and found out that Honeyville is closing down all their retail. They primarily did grains. And hey everyone, welcome back to Obsessive Chicks. Now you've seen in a previous video of my Honeyville, they're going out of business. I talked to the gal that ran the Chandler store, and I got information that was inaccurate. And I found this out through Katzcradul. Now Katzcradul has a YouTube channel, and she does prepping and food and all sorts of things, so I recommend going to her channel and checking her out. She called Honeyville Corporate Direct and talked to them, and they are not going out of business. They are not stopped selling their freeze-dried food. Yes, I'm so excited because Honeyville is the bomb when it comes to freeze-dried food. Anyways, I wanted to say thank you, Katzcradul. Thank you for the information. I should have done the next step of calling corporate, but I thought that talking to the Chandler store, the person that ran it, would give me accurate information, and it wasn't so. So I made several phone calls, finally left a message, and they called me back. And his name was George. Here's the take on it. Hello?
Hi, this is George with Honeyville. I'm sorry, your phone had so much static on there.
Hey, I'm sorry about that, George. I was actually filming a video. I've got you on speakerphone right now. Is that I have a YouTube channel, and I got some, I think, inaccurate information from your channel, Chandler store. So I wanted to get it from you before I put another video out. I'm a prepper and I buy a lot of your number 10 cans. So I just wanted to know if it was okay if I put you on video.
If you put me on?
Well, your voice.
Okay, well, first let's clarify what was the information that you needed.
Okay, so I was at your Chandler store, and like I said, I have a YouTube channel, and I buy and purchase a lot of the Honeyville number 10 can freeze-dried foods. Our channel's Obsessive Chicks on YouTube, and I went to the Chandler store to buy some new product, and the gal that ran the retail part of it basically told me that Honeyville is getting out of freeze-dried food completely. 100% because your bread and butters in your grains, and which I understand is your grain products for restaurants and things like that. And so I went outside and I did a video, and it was like, Honeyville's not selling freeze-dried food anymore. Number 10 cans. I'm so upset because over August and other products, you guys are it when it comes to your freeze-dried foods. And so I put this video out, and then another prepper had commented today saying that she had called you guys direct and that you are still indeed going to still carry the freeze-dried food. It's just in your online business, not the retail store. So is that accurate?
I think I've had a question like this from a prior customer in Arizona. We are still selling freeze-dried food. It's one of the hot commodities that we do sell online. Do I know of other stores that do sell those products? I want to say about 2. Other than that, I see no reason why we're going out of business with freeze-dried foods. I mean,
well, she didn't say you were going out of business. That this was the Chandler Honeyville store. She primarily told me that you guys are no longer carrying freeze-dried food anymore because that's not where your bread and butter was at.
I'm thinking is because that store closed and now it's just Tempe factory that's there. She was probably indicating, because we have a factory in Tempe. I mean, it's the same factory that we have in Ogden and Rancho Cucamonga, but as far as freeze-dried that we're not selling them anymore, that's not true.
Well, you know what, George, that's good to know because I did this video and I'm like, oh my gosh. So I'm like, I'm going to get this information from corporate, from you guys, because what she had told me was so, I mean, I literally went out and did a YouTube video right then and there because I'm like, I'm so upset because your product's awesome.
Yeah, no, now don't get me wrong, does it take a while for it to get into inventory back onto the website and into the warehouse? It does, because it's such a hot commodity product. But as far as you going onto the website right now and seeing, wow, okay, there's freeze-dried ground beef, which a month ago it was out of
gone
for a week and a half because
right
of the popularity of it.
Right. See, and that was last month is when I did this video, and I went on your regular site, and you were out of so much meat, and I'm like, wow, she must be, you know, she must be telling me the truth. So I did this video, and but then I went on today, and you're back in stock, I think, other than like chicken maybe or something.
Right.
Okay. Well, I appreciate, and do you mind if I throw this on my channel, letting people know, because I've got a lot of subscribers and we use a lot of your product, and I don't want to give false information out there.
You can. I don't mind. Like I said, my name is George, and I'm with the e-commerce website division of Honeyville Grain. I work out of Rancho Cucamonga, and like I said, I've had plenty of orders for freeze-dried foods coming in for the last week and a half. So
perfect.
It's there. It's just certain items are out of stock, and due to its popularity, it does take a little bit longer than regular, let's just say, oats or wheats or rye or anything like that to get in every week on a constant basis.
Right. Well, you know what? I appreciate it because, like I said, go to Obsessive Chicks on YouTube, and I've got Honeyville, and I'm like, comparison, yours is by far better than most of the product out there. You guys use awesome quality stuff. So just wanted to thank you for giving me a call back.
Absolutely. You're more than welcome.
All righty. Thank you, George.
Have a good one. Bye.
And so again, I wanted to apologize to Honeyville for putting out this inaccurate information that I was given. And Katzcradul, check her channel out. She's awesome. She's been prepping and doing food for several years. I believe even longer than what I have been doing. So check Kat out. And I just wanted to give this information. If you like the video, please subscribe. If you want to be notified for future videos, ring the bell. And you all have a blessed day. Hey everybody, I'm on my way today. I'm on a mission to go to Honeyville. I am fortunate enough to have one in Chandler, Arizona, and I'm going to drive over. I've got a few supplies I've got to pick up. I'm going to get some freeze-dried beef, some mixed vegetables, and some more tomato powder, and maybe a couple other things. Of course, I can never leave the store without it. I've done a video of meals in the jar that will be a link below that you can see that I do it in jars, but I've also had so many people ask me, why don't you do it in FoodSaver bags or Mylar bags? What I failed to say was I do that. We take these camping all the time, and they are great packets for hunters, for camping. Open it up, add some water, and you've got a great meal. So come on over to Honeyville with me. Oh my gosh, completely bummed. Just went in to buy some number 10 cans of my favorite beef, tomato powder and stuff, and found out that Honeyville is closing down all their retail. They primarily did grains, and that's their business. That's where they make their money. Tortilla companies, grains for restaurants, and they are closing all their retail sites. And as far as the number 10 can freeze-dried food, they are getting rid of all of that. They are out of chunks of beef, and I am so bummed because that is the only product, Honeyville, that I actually liked, I used. I'm going to have to look into other products, certain products out there I'm not happy with, so bummer.